Rendering hair may involve a number of tools. Let's start with the most obvious one, pencils. I'm going to use all the sets I have, and actually I have quite a few sets, so I'm going to use all the pencils available because I don't know which ones I may need. Also, I will use a variety of stumps for blending, as well as tissues and finger and maybe something else. Oh, that's another blender. I may use the plastic one. Also, I will use a number of sharp tools. Something like this kitchen spade or pick with a sharp end. A wooden pick is a very good one to use. Craft knife is another very good, useful thing. Of course, I use knives, and not only for sharpening the pencils. I can use it for cutting my erasers, cleaning erasers, but also I can use it for indentations or scraping on paper. And of course, I will need erasers. Oh, I forgot to mention this one, a very sharp tool with a pretty blunt edge. It all can be used. Anything can be used, actually. And of course, erasers. Round erasers, square erasers, small erasers, flat erasers, medium flat eraser, ordinary soft eraser, and my kneadable eraser. I cannot find a new one, so unfortunately I'll have to use my old one, but it's still okay. It will do the job. So these are the things which will be needed today.